Hello students, welcome to SOURAV sir's classes. The question is, triangle ABC and triangle XYZ are equilateral triangles of 54 cm sides. All smaller triangles like ANM, OCP, QPX, etc. are also equilateral triangles. Then find the area of the shape MNOPQRM. So basically, we need to find the area of this region. Now, since this side, say AC, is equal to 54 centimeters, so AN would be 54 by 3 is equal to 18, because this is equal to this is equal to this. So area of these 6 equilateral triangles, let me shade it with a different color so that you know it. So area of these triangles is equal to 6 into, now, and area of an equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 a squared. So root 3 by 4 into a, that is 18 squared. This comes out to be 486 into root 3. Now, according to the question, area of 6 equilateral triangles plus 2 into area of MNOPQRM is equal to 2 into area of equilateral triangles with side 54 centimeters. So area of 2 equilateral triangles with side 54 centimeter is actually 2 into root 3 by 4 into 54 squared is equal to 1458 root 3. Now let the area of this region be X. Just to not write area MNOPQRM all the times, so we, using this equation, we get 486 root 3 plus 2x is equal to 1458 root 3, and on solving this we get x to be equal to 486 root 3 centimeter squared. So the correct option is option B. The next question is, the difference between the area of the circumscribed circle and the area of the inscribed circle of an equilateral triangle is 2156 square centimeter. Then what is the area of the equilateral triangle? Say this is an equilateral triangle, this is the circumscribed circle, and this is the inscribed circle. Where OB equals R is the radius of the inscribed circle, and AO is capital R is the radius of circumscribed circle. So pi r squared minus pi small r squared is equal to 2156. R squared minus R squared is equal to 686. By dividing the whole equation by pi, we get this. Now, Angle OBA is a right angle. So OA squared is equal to AB squared plus OB squared, or we get AB squared is equal to R squared, capital R squared, minus small r squared, or AB is equal to root capital R squared minus small r squared, so root 686. Therefore, area of equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 by 4 into 2AB squared is equal to root 3 into 4AB squared by 4. This comes out to be 686 root 3 centimeter squared. Therefore, the correct option is option A.